Hi, this is Mr. Nico Marinas Rapadas, ATF student of Manuel Sinverga University Foundation. Before I start, I would like to greet our beloved professor by the name of Miss Corina Marie Alibuyog, and at the same time, of course, my beloved classmates. So, the topic that I would like to share with you today is about the extemporaneous speech with regards to the corruptions. Corruptions is all about. It is the topic that I have already chosen among the choices that Miss Corina gave us. So let's begin. Corruptions, it is the silent enemy that weakens our nations. It steals not only the money but also the trust and hope of the people. From the smallest act of bribery to the largest misuse of power, corruption destroys fairness and justice in our society. But corruptions will only continue if we stay silent. Real change begins when ordinary citizens choose honestly over convenience and courage over fear. So we don't need to hold high positions to fight corruptions. We just need to do what is right, even when no one is watching us. Let us be the generations that break the chains of corruptions together. Through the integrity and accountability, we can build nations where truth and justice truly prevail. Thank you. That is the extemporaneous speech that I would like to share with you today. And God bless us of all. Thank you so much. Most especially to our professor, Miss Corina Marie Alibuyog. Thank you, ma'am. God bless us of all.